Welcome! If you want to make sure your followers never miss a public post from your Facebook page, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to show public post notifications from your page on the Facebook app for PC using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages your page. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Next, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can control all aspects of your Facebook experience. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Scroll down and look for an option called Followers and Public Content. Click on it. This is where you can manage how people interact with your public posts and who gets notified about them. Now, find the section labeled Public Post Notifications. This is the key setting you need to adjust. Click on it, and you'll see a few different options for who can get notifications about your public posts. To make sure everyone can receive notifications, select Public. This means anyone who follows your page, even if they're not friends with you, will get notified when you make a public post. After you've selected Public, don't forget to click Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've just made it easier for your followers to stay updated with everything you share. With this new update, your audience won't miss out on any important news, updates, or announcements from your page. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who manage Facebook pages. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips to help you get the most out of your social media experience.